Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are keeping well. My today's video is going to be a dupes video. I recently did a video featuring my top 10 luxury lipsticks that are not available in India, and in that video I showed you guys this lipstick from Marc Jacobs. This is the Limac Lip Cream in the shade J'adore. Now on that video one of you guys commented that the NYX Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Push Up was a dupe for this lipstick. So I really was intrigued by that and I wanted to try it out myself. Also I wanted to find you guys some more dupes, not just in terms of the shade but also in terms of formula and longevity and just everything. So I'm going to do just that. In today's video I'm going to show you not one, not two, but 10 dupes for this beautiful lipstick, 5 from the high end, 5 from the drugstore. I also wanted to include some dupes from the high end just for those of you who wanted a dupe for the color and the formula. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. It's going to be a really exciting one, and before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please do like and share my videos. And yeah, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, let me show you how J'adore looks on my lips. It is a really beautiful brown nude with some peachy undertones to it, and this is what the swatch looks like. Now let's get into the dupes. I'm going to start with none other than my NYX Lingerie Push Up lipstick, the one that has inspired this video. Now this also is a beautiful peachy nude. It is not as brown as the J'adore one, but it also is a really beautiful nude with some peachy undertones to it. The formula on this lipstick is quite drying as compared to the J'adore one. The J'adore is really creamy and very hydrating on the lips. This one is a more of I would say a drier formula, a matte-er formula, but it's not uncomfortable on the lips in any ways. This is what the arm swatch looks like compared to J'adore, and as you can see, J'adore is a bit darker than this, but I would say it is a 8 on 10 kind of dupe for J'adore. Now the formula on this is really nice, very comfortable. It almost feels completely drying on the lips, but it's not uncomfortable in any ways. It is not like those suck the life out of your lips kind of a drying, and it looks really nice and it feels comfortable and it lasts really beautifully throughout the day. Next up from the drugstore, I have my Nykaa So Creme Matte Lipstick in the shade Wake Up Makeup. Now this also is a beautiful brownie nude with some peachy undertones to it. I would say it is a very close dupe to the Marc Jacobs J'adore. In terms of color, it is really close to it. I would say it is almost a 9 on 10 dupe for the Marc Jacobs lipstick. In terms of formula, it is also very nice and a very creamy formula. It stays creamy throughout the day. It's very hydrating on the lips. It does not dry out. It still looks matte while still being really nice and hydrating on the lips. Now you can see the shade on these two is quite similar, and the formula also I would say is very similar on the two lipsticks, and it is a perfect dupe for the Marc Jacobs J'adore. Next up from drugstore, I have my Lakme 9 to 5 creaseless lipstick in the shade Latte Rules. Now this is what this lipstick looks like. It also is a very beautiful nude with some peachy undertones to it. However, it is a bit more sheer and a bit more glowy on the lips. It is not completely matte, and it has a bit of a sheen to it, but still very comfortable, very hydrating, very creamy on the lips, and it looks quite similar. I would say it is not the same, but it's quite similar to my Marc Jacobs J'adore. Now this is what it looks like next to the Marc Jacobs J'adore. As you can see, it has more of a sheen to it, but the shade I would say is somewhat of a 7 on 10 match to the Marc Jacobs J'adore. But by itself, this is a very beautiful and a very creamy and a very hydrating and a very comfortable lipstick on the lips. And if you're looking for something similar to Marc Jacobs J'adore but you're looking for a more creamy and an affordable version, I would say this is a quite similar lipstick to that one, and the formula on this lipstick is just amazing. The next lipstick from Drugstore that I'm going to talk about is my K Beauty by Katrina Matinee Lip Crayon in the shade Faux Pas. Now this is one of my absolute favorite nudes of all time. I also mentioned it in my top 10 nudes from the Drugstore video, which I'll link on the screen above if you haven't seen it already. It again is a beautiful brownie nude. It has more of a brown undertone than a peach, and the formula on this is really nice and comfortable. It just glides onto your lips, but it looks and stays matte throughout the day. The longevity on this lipstick is just beautiful, and you know, the shade on this is really beautiful. It's a very flattering shade for all types of Indian skin tones. And now this is what the shade looks like next to my Marc Jacobs J'adore. It is a bit more brown than the Marc Jacobs one, but still it's very close in terms of shade to the Marc Jacobs one. I would say it is a 7.5 out of 10 kind of a dupe for this shade, but in itself it's a really beautiful and very comfortable and very beautiful lipstick, and it's a must try from K Beauty. And the last lipstick from the Drugstore I'm going to show you is my e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Praline. Now this again is a very beautiful brownie peachy nude, and again one of my absolute favorites. I also mentioned this one in my top 10 nude from the Drugstore video. This is really close to the Marc Jacobs J'adore in terms of the color. The formula on this, however, is really nice. It's a liquid lipstick. It dries down to be completely matte. It, however, feels very comfortable on the lips throughout the day. It does not suck the life out of your lips, and I would say the longevity on this lipstick is really good, and I absolutely love this lipstick, and this shade in particular is one of my absolute favorites. Now this is what the swatch looks like next to the Marc Jacobs J'adore. I would say this is a pretty close kind of an 8 on 10 kind of a dupe for the Marc Jacobs J'adore, and in terms of color, in terms of formula, however, it is not very same, because the Marc Jacobs J'adore is really creamy and hydrating, and this will completely dry down to be a completely matte formula. But in terms of color, I would say it is a really good and a very spot on kind of a dupe. Now coming on to my high-end dupes for this lipstick. The first lipstick that I'm going to show you today is my Bobbi Brown lip color in the shade Cocoa 31. Now this is what the shade looks like. It has more of a brown undertone to it than a peach, but the formula on this lipstick is an absolute spot on dupe for my Marc Jacobs J'adore. It is so creamy, so hydrating on the lips, very comfortable, and it lasts really beautifully as well. Now this is what it looks like next to my Marc Jacobs J'adore. The shade, I would say, is somewhat of a 7 on 10 dupe, because the Bobbi Brown one is a bit more brown than the Marc Jacobs J'adore one. But if you're looking for something similar to my Marc Jacobs J'adore one, but very close in terms of the formula, this is an actual spot on dupe for that. Next up, I have my Estee Lauder Pure Love liquid lipstick in the shade Coco Bana. It is such a stunning brownie peachy nude. The formula on this is absolutely beautiful. It has that liquid lipstick kind of a formula, but it is not drying on your lips at all. It stays creamy and hydrating throughout the day. You can still rub your lips together. It looks matte, but it will not dry down on your lips at all. It is such a beautiful formula, and I would say the color on this also is a spot on, almost a 9 on 10 kind of a dupe for my Marc Jacobs J'adore. The formula is also quite similar to my Marc Jacobs J'adore. It stays creamy and hydrating on the lips throughout the day, and it still looks really matte. It is not a transfer proof formula by any means, but it is an absolutely beautiful formula and a beautiful color. Now next up, I have my The Balm Meet Matte Hughes Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Trustworthy. Now the shade on this is a bit more peach than my Marc Jacobs J'adore, but the undertones are quite similar, and it is a really beautiful and a very comfortable formula. It's a liquid lipstick and it dries down to be completely matte, but still not suck the life out of your lips kind of a matte. It stays put really beautifully throughout the day. It has a really beautiful longevity to it, and the shade is really nice and very flattering on Indian skin tones, I would say. Compared to my Marc Jacobs one, this one is a lot more peach than the Marc Jacobs one, but still I would say that this is a good 6.5 or 7 out of 10 kind of a dupe for this. And the formula on this is really beautiful. It is one of my absolute favorite liquid lipstick formulas because it does not dry out your lips or make them look parched, and it stays comfortable throughout the day. Next up on my list I have my Huda Beauty liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter. Now again, this has more of a peachier undertone to it and less brown as compared to my Marc Jacobs J'adore, but the Huda Beauty liquid lipsticks are absolutely beautiful. They have such a beautiful and very thin consistency. It just feels like water when you apply it, but it has such a great pigment. It dries down to be a completely matte formula. The longevity is absolutely beautiful, and it stays comfortable throughout the day. It does not suck the life out of your lips. It will completely dry down to be a matte formula and a very transfer proof formula, but still it feels and stays comfortable throughout the day. In terms of shade, I would say that this is a 7 on 10 kind of a dupe because the Huda Beauty one is a bit more peachy than my Marc Jacobs one, but in terms of formula it does not match my Marc Jacobs one at all because it will dry down to be a completely matte formula and it becomes completely transfer proof as compared to my Marc Jacobs one, which is a lot more creamy and hydrating and very comfortable on the lips. But all in all, I would say it is a pretty good dupe for my Marc Jacobs lipstick, and the shade on this is absolutely beautiful and very flattering for all Indian skin tones. And the last lipstick that I'm going to talk about today is none other than my MAC matte lipstick in the shade Taupe. Now this is a beautiful peachy brown nude, and the formula on this lipstick is just divine. I have a whole another video about my top 10 MAC lipsticks, and I have mentioned this lipstick in that video as well. This is kind of my go-to lipstick. If I cannot decide on what to wear on my lips, this is my go-to lipstick for that purpose. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks from MAC, and just one of my absolute favorite lipsticks of all time. It is such a beautiful nude and such a universally flattering kind of a nude, and one of my absolute favorite nudes of all time. And the formula on this is really comfortable, very hydrating, very comfortable, very creamy, looks matte, but you can still rub your lips together and it will not dry out your lips at all. In terms of shade as well, I would say this is a 9.5 out of 10 kind of a dupe for my Marc Jacobs J'adore. And in terms of formula as well, this is a spot on dupe. I would say that this is the closest I could find to my Marc Jacobs J'adore in my collection in terms of everything, in terms of color, in terms of formula, and in terms of longevity as well. It is a beautiful lipstick, and if you're looking for something very similar to the Marc Jacobs J'adore that is easily available in India, this is a spot on dupe for that. And that is it for today's video, you guys. These are my top 10 dupes for my Marc Jacobs J'adore lipstick. I absolutely loved and really enjoyed making this video, and I will make this a regular series on my channel. I will find more and more dupes for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos. If you do, please like and share my videos, and do subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.